Dear friends, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to solve an ODE by using Range-Kutta fourth order method. In this video, we will see what is the formula for this Range-Kutta fourth order method, and then we will take an example and we will solve it by using Range-Kutta fourth order method. So let us consider ODE, that is dy by dx is equals to f of x comma y with the initial condition y of x naught is equals to y naught. Here h is the interval of difference, so that x1 is given by x naught plus h. Now solution at x1 is y1, and this y1 is given by a formula, that is y1 is equals to y naught plus 1 divided by 6 times of k1 plus 2 times of k2 plus 2 times of k3 plus k4, where k1 is nothing but that is k1 is given by h into f of x naught comma y naught, and k2 is given by h into f of x naught plus h divided by 2 comma y naught plus k1 divided by 2, and k3 is given by h into f of x naught plus h divided by 2 comma y naught plus k2 divided by 2, and finally k4 is given by h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. I will say this overall equation is 1. So in this method, the x naught and y naught, that is the initial condition. X naught, what is the value of the y naught, will be given, and at this point, that is at x1, what is the value? We have to find it. That is x1, the solution at x1, we will say it is y1. It is nothing but an y1. So that means at this point we have to find y1. That is, what is the solution at this point we have to find, and it is given by the formula y1 is equals to y naught plus 1 divided by 6 times into k1 plus 2 times of k2 plus 2 times of k3 plus k4, and that is equation number 1, and this equation number 1 is called as a Range-Kutta fourth order method. So here at the same time, here interval of difference is h, the difference between x naught and x1, that is x1 minus x naught. So now we will take an example and we will try to solve that example. Now we will solve an example. The question is like this: solve dy by dx is equals to 1 divided by x plus 1 with the initial condition y of 0 is equals to 1 for x is ranging from 0.5 to 1 by using Range-Kutta fourth order method. So we will solve this one. So here given thing, solution. So given is f of x comma y will be given as 1 divided by x plus y. right? And as you told, the initial conditions, that is y of x naught is equals to y naught, is given as y of 0 is equals to 1. That is x naught is equals to 0 and y naught is equals to 1. Now we have to find at the point x1, that is x1 is 0.5 and 1, and we have to find that is 0.5 and 1 at the point 0.5 and 1. So now at x is equals to 0.5, what is the y value? And at x is equals to 1, what is the value of the y? We have to find these two things here. That means I can say this is x1 and this is x2. And now I can say this is y1 and y2. So I'll show this one by using a table. That means the x values and y values. So initial condition, that is x naught and this is y naught. That is x naught is given as 0 and y naught is given as 1. Now the 0.5 at x, that is x1. At x1 0.5 we have to find y1, what is the value of this one, and similarly at x2 at 1, what is the value of the y2, we have to find it here. So the interval difference, especially here, the interval difference, if you see it here, from here to here, it is h, as I told you. What is it? It is nothing but an 0.5. It is given here. That means we have to find at the point 0.5 to 1 with a difference of 0.5. That is, we can see it here 0. The difference from here to here is 0.5 and here to here is 0.5. That means we have to find 0.5 to 1. That is at this point and at this point we have to. Now we'll solve this one. So the given data is here, that is f of x comma y is given by this one, that is 1 divided by x plus y, and initial conditions x naught and y naught are given and h is the 0.5. So now for first interval, that is for first interval, for the first interval, that is at x is equals to 0.5 we have to find, and that x1 is given by x naught plus h. x1 is equals to x naught value, here x naught value is 0 plus y naught, h value is 0.5. Therefore x1 is equals to 0.5. That is in the first interval at x1. In the first interval at x1. In the first interval at x1, that is 0.5. What is the value of the y? That means I will say y1. What is the value of the y1? And it is given by the Range-Kutta formula, and it is given by the formula is given by, I can say that is y1 is equals to y1 at x1, or it can be said as y at the 0.5. Overall it is given by like this, that is y0 plus 1 divided by 6 times of k1 plus 2 times of k2 plus 2 times of k3 plus k4, and we will say this is my equation number 1. Now here I required K1, K2, K3 and K4. I will find it one by one. Now K1 is given by K1 is equals to H into f of x naught comma y naught. That is K1 is equals to, what is the value of the H here? It is 0.5 and f of x naught value is 0 comma and y naught value is 1. Now this is equals to 0.5. I will write it as a function, that is here f of x comma y is given by 1 divided by x plus 1. Similarly we write this one, that is 1 divided by 0 plus 1. So if you solve this one, what will be the answer? Means K1 will get it as a 0.5. Now I will find K2 here, and that K2 is given by K2 is equals to H into f of x naught plus h divided by 2 comma y naught plus K1 divided by 2. This is equals to h is 0.5 and f of y naught. What is the value of the y naught here? Y naught is 0 plus h value is 0.5 divided by 2 comma, what is the y naught value? Y naught is 1. So K1, what is the K1 value? Here it is, K1 value is, it is 0.5 divided by 2. Now this is equals to 0.5 into, we will write it in a function, that is 1 divided by x plus y. Here x is 0 plus 1, 0.5 divided by 2 and y value is 1 plus 0.5 divided by 2. And if you write this one, it will be 1 divided by 0.5 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 divided by 2. If you solve this one, I can get my K2 as, K2 is equals to, my value will be, K2 value will be 0.3333. Right? Now I have got K1, K2 and now I will find the value of this K3. So K3 is given by, K3 is equals to H into f of x naught plus h divided by 2 comma y naught plus K2 divided by 2 is. So now similar way I will substitute all the values here. This is 0.5 f of x naught value is 0 plus h is 0.5 divided by 2 comma y naught. What is the y naught value? Means here it is, y naught value is 1 plus K2 value we have here, that is 0.3333 divided by 2. Now I can write this by using a function. The function is 1 divided by x plus 1. So it is 1 divided by 0.5 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 0.3333 divided by 2. So now if you simplify this, I will get my K3 value as 0.3529. So I have got K1, K2 and K3. Finally I will find this K4. Now K4 is given by, K4 is equals to h into f of x naught plus h divided by 2 comma and y naught plus K3. This is the K4 formula. Now I will substitute the values here. H is 0.5 f of function, that is x naught plus h. X naught is 0 plus h is 0.5 comma y naught value is 1 plus K3. K3 is here, it is 0.3529. Now if you simplify this, what will be our answer? So I will write it in a function level first. So it is 0.5 plus 1 plus 0.3529. Now if you simplify this, my K4 value will be 0.269 So I have got the values here. K1 is here, I have found it, and K2 is here, and K3 is here, and K4 is here. We have got all the values here. Now substitute this K1, K2, K3 and K4 in equation number 1. I can get the value of my y. So we will substitute in 1. So substituting K1, K2, K3 and K4 values in 1, we get so I'll substitute all that values K1, K2, K3 in equation number 1, so that I can get the values of y1. So I'll rub this one. So now I will substitute all the values over here. Now equation 1 implies, equation 1 is given by y1 is equals to, here it is. So what is the value of the y0? Here we can get the value of the y0. Y0 is 1 plus 1 divided by 6 times of, what is the K1 value? It is 0.5 plus 2 times of, what is the value of the K2 here? K2 is given by the 0.3333. It is here, I rubbed it, sorry. And similarly, and next K2 into 2 into K3, K3 value is here. I can say it is 0.3529 plus K4, and K4 value is here, it is 0.2698. Now if you simplify this, I can get my y1, and it is nothing but an 1.3571. It is 1.3571. So this is my y1. That means I can say this is the y1 at what value? At x1 is equals to 0.5. So I have found this at x1. What is the value of the y1? I have got it now. Now we will go for the second interval, because they are asking for 0.5 and up to 1. 0.5 to 1 they are asking. So now we will go for 1. So I wrote here a table. This is the initial conditions, that is at x0. Here it is, x0 is equals to 0. Then what is the y0? Is 1. So similarly I have found it at y1. Y1 will be 1.3571. At x1 0.5, the y1 value is 1.3571. So at the next stage, that is x2, we have to find, it is 1. What will be the value? That is y2. We have to find it here. At this point x2, what is the value of the y2? We have to find it. That means I can say it is a second interval, we'll say it. Now we'll go for the second interval. Second interval. So x2 is equals to x0 plus, sorry, x1 plus h. That is equals to, what is the value of the x1? x1 is 0.5 plus what is the value of the h? Interval difference, we have got it here. That is 0.5. It is 1. That is x2 is equals to 1. We can see it here. That is x2 1. So at 1, what is the value of the y? That means we can say it is y2. So to find the y2, it is given by a formula, that is y2 is equals to y at x2, that is y at, it is 1, and it is given by y1 plus 1 divided by 6 times of k1 plus 2 times of k2 plus 2 times of k3 plus k4. We will say this equation as equation number 2. Here y1 is given by y0 plus 1 divided by 6 and this thing. Here y2 is given by y1 plus 1 divided by 6. I will say here y2. y2 is nothing but an y2 is equals to y1 plus 1 divided by 6 times, and this is equation number 2. Now here I require k1, k2, k3 and k4. Now we will find this k1, k2, k3 and k4. Now k1 is given by, k1 is equals to, k1 is given by h into f of x1 comma y1. Here for the second stage or second interval, we can say it is given by h into x1 y1. Before it was x0 and y0 in the first interval. In the second interval it is written as x1 comma y1. So it is equals to, what is the value of the h? It is 0.5. And what is the f of, what is the value of the x1 here? x1 value is here, it is given as 0.5 comma, and what is the value of the y1 here? y1 we have find it is nothing but an 1.3571. So now we'll substitute this in the form of a function. We'll write it in a form of a function. It is here 1 divided by, it is x is 0.5 plus it is y is 1.3571. Now k1 is equals to, in the interval, second interval, k1 value. So if you simplify this, my k1 value will be 0.2692. Now I have got the value of this k1 here. So please, in the second interval, we have to concentrate that k1 formula is given by h into f of x1 comma y1, right? So we will substitute that values and we have got the k1 value. Now I will find the k2. k2 is equals to h into f of, its value will be x1 plus h divided by 2 comma y1 plus k1 divided by 2. So now we will substitute the values. It is 0.5 f of, so what is the value of the x1? x1 is 0.5, it is, we have substituted here, plus h value is 0.5 divided by 2 comma, what is the y1 value? y1 value is here 1.3571. It is 1.3571 plus K1 value. Here K1 value is here K1 is 0.2692. It is divided by 2. Right? So if you still have to substitute it 0.5 into in the form of a function. Here is this 1 divided by x plus y, that is 1 divided by, it is 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2 plus this is x plus I have to write the y. So y will be 1.3571 plus 0.2692 divided by 2. Now, so if we simplify this, my K2 value will be 0.2230. So now I got a value of the K2. Now I will find the K3. Now K3 is given by h into f of x1 plus h divided by 2 comma y1 plus K2 divided by 2. Now this K3 is equals to h is 0.5 and f of x1 is 0.5 plus h is 0.5 divided by 2 and y1 value is 1.3571 plus K2. What is the K2 value is? Here is K2 value. It is 0.2230 whole divided by 2. Now we will write it in a function 0.5 times of, it is 1 divided by 0.5 plus 0.5 divided by 2 plus it is 1.3571 plus 0.2230 divided by 2. That is x plus y format we have wrote it. Now if you simplify this, we will get our K3 and my K3 value will be 0.2254. So I have got K1, K2, K3. Still I need K4 value. Now I will find the value of the K4. So therefore the K4 value is given by K4 is equals to h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus K3. Now I will substitute this, that is equals to 0.5. It is f of x1 value is 0.5 and h value is also 0.5 comma and y1, the y1 value is given by 1.3571 and K3 value is here, that is 0.2254. Now if you simplify this, K4 value we will get it and the K4 value will be 0.1936. Now you can see here we have got all the values of K1, K2, K3 and K4. K1 is here, K2 is here, K4 is here, K3 is here, sorry, and now K2 is here. Now I have got K1, K2, K3, K4. Now I will substitute all these values in the equation number 2. Now we will substitute this one. So we will clean it here. Now if we substitute at the point x2, I will get the value of the y2 by equation number 2. So now I will substitute that. Now y2 is given by, now y2, equation number 2 implies y2 is equals to y1. So y1 value is 1.35 1.3571 it is, right, plus 1 divided by 6 times of, so K1 value is here, it is 0.2692 plus 2 times of K2, it is 2 times of K2 value I have to write, K2 value is here 0.2230 plus 2 times of K3 value, K3 is 0.2254 plus K4 is there, so K4 value is here, I can say that is 0.1936, right. So if we simplify this, equation number 2, then we will get this one as like this. So after simplification, my solution is y2 is equals to 1.5837. So I have got my y2. So y2 value is 1.5837. That is, this is the value at x2. What is the x2? x2 is 1. That means in this table we require this one. I have found out that it is 1.5837. So this is the second interval. So by using this Range-Kutta fourth order method, we have solved one of the example in which we have first interval as well as second interval. So thank you students.